Welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you hot pink zebra nails art step by step guide. An extremely girly nail design showing a love for zebra print and a color pink. Let's talk about step number 1. Start by painting your nails with the hot pink nail polish. Step number 2. Using a thin nail art brush and a white nail polish, create a French tip on your nails except the right finger nails. Step number 3. Using the same nail art brush and nail polish, draw a white heart in the middle of each of your ring finger nails as well. Let's move to step number 4. Fill in the hearts with white nail polish. Step number 5. Using a nail art brush and a black nail polish, draw wavy lines horizontally on all the white areas to create a zebra print in white color. Step number 6. Using the same nail art brush and the white nail polish, place small dots along the French tip and around the heart. Step number 7. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. If you like my design and my video, please like, subscribe and comment below my video. Thank you very much for watching my video.